Welcome back to Aqualair Sources, where we empower you with valuable financial insights. Today, we're diving into the world of credit cards with a $500 limit guaranteed approval. In this video, we'll explore what these cards are, the advantages they offer, and how to make the most of a $500 credit limit. Plus, we'll introduce you to some top contenders in this category. So, what exactly is a credit card with a $500 limit guaranteed approval? It's a financial tool designed for individuals looking to establish or rebuild their credit. With these cards, you're virtually assured approval, even if your credit history isn't pristine. The $500 limit signifies the maximum credit amount you can access with these cards. It's a modest but practical limit, ideal for responsible spending and credit building. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using these cards. Credit building. First, they're excellent tools for building or repairing your credit. By using them responsibly and making on-time payments, you can boost your credit score over time. Guaranteed approval. The guaranteed approval aspect is a big plus. You won't face the anxiety of potential rejection, making these cards accessible to a wide range of individuals. Budget-friendly. With a $500 limit, you can manage your spending effectively. It encourages responsible financial habits and prevents excessive debt. Now, let's address a crucial question: how much should you spend on a $500 credit limit? A general rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. In the case of a $500 limit, that means keeping your balance below $150. Remember, your credit utilization ratio plays a significant role in your credit score. By keeping your spending in check, you can maintain a healthy financial profile. Lastly, let's meet some of the top contenders in the realm of $500 limit guaranteed approval credit cards. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Credit Card offers an excellent entry point into the world of credit. It comes with no annual fee and provides access to higher credit limits over time. Milestone Gold MasterCard. The Milestone Gold MasterCard is known for its straightforward application process and approval guarantee. It's a solid choice for rebuilding credit. Surge Platinum Mastercard. With the Surge Platinum Mastercard, you can access your credit score for free. It's an invaluable tool for monitoring your credit health. OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card. The OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is a secured card, meaning you'll need to make a security deposit. However, it's an excellent option for those looking to establish or rebuild credit. Indigo Unsecured MasterCard. The Indigo Unsecured MasterCard offers an easy application process and doesn't require a security deposit. It's designed for individuals with less than perfect credit. And there you have it, a closer look at credit cards with $500 limit guaranteed approval. These cards can be your stepping stone to a healthier credit score and financial future. As always, remember to use your credit cards responsibly, make timely payments, and stay within your budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for joining us at Aqualair Sources, where your financial empowerment begins.